Please stop. Don't trade today until you see this. Aboyeji 001 is here. Let me break down the market for you, trader. You already know what we do. We do our daily analysis every day. So before you before you scroll, kindly watch the video to the end. You will get one or two things. And for those of you that my video pump to your screen, kindly stop, watch the video to the end and see what you will gain. So before we start today, let's quickly go into the fundamental analysis. But today is Friday and some news used to came out. Maybe Trump will tweet around afternoon, but I'm still expecting Trump to tweet around afternoon because the fear is in the market now. So this is Friday, which is the last day of the week. Excuse God for that. And you can see we now have high impact news on USD, in which there is no news on USD. So let's quickly go into the chart and see what the chart has for us. So only the chart we can determine. From daily time frame, you know what we do on daily time frame. This is our swing high. This is our swing high, as we're expecting the market to continue the option because this is option and this is our swing low. And this is the recent swing low market gave us internal swing low. When we move to 4-hour time frame, you can see this is the supply that pushed the market down, and this is another supply. This is another supply. So we have know that if markets reach here, it will react. So what we are saying now is just to continue the trend. This is what we are saying. That you can see we have break of structure to uptrend, and we have change of character, break of structure, market mitigated this demand, give us another break of structure, and this is the fat break of structure. And for me, I'm still anticipating for this because this is the perfect demand for me. This is the perfect demand for me, and our stop loss will be below this. We are below this what we can do. This doji can do. And let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. But as for me, I'm seeing liquidity here. Let's see if we can expect. So after we define the market in the 4 hour demand zone, so this is where we define. So market has already mitigated with, but I'm still expecting. Let's say we are still expecting the market to mitigate. But this is going to push it up. We don't know what the news that is coming in this afternoon. Maybe Trump is going to tweet or is not going to tweet because the demand are sitting here. All these ones are liquidity markets just created. Yes. Sorry for that. All this all these are liquidity markets created. You can see. So market is going to sell all this liquidity before continuing uptrend. So the demand are here and we are expecting our TP here. This way we are expecting our take profit. And our stop loss will be below here. Below this swing, below this, let's say below here. Seriously. So I'm still expecting bullish. Seriously, no matter what, I'm still expecting bullish. I'm still using my foreign nest account, foreign nest competition account. If you want to help me, that's what I'm using to trade because I'm not trading live accounts now because I don't have capital. Before I used to trade maybe $10. I used to use $10 to trade every month. But this April month I couldn't fund really a raise. I couldn't find a capital to fund my account. So for now, I'm still. If you want to help me, you can help me. I need help, seriously. Maybe $10, I appreciate. Even $100, even $1,000, just take. I will appreciate. Even if you want to be helping me, sir, this guy, I will really appreciate. Thank you. So let's move to Steva. Let's see what Steva asked for. Steva too is the same thing as for you. This is our swing high on stable because market is what? Market is in bullish, and this is our swing low, and this is what? Internal swing low. Market is going bullish. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is giving us. This is the 5 of 4 hour time frame. We are having big structure here, change of character. Market mitigate all this place, give us what? Give us break of structure again. And this is another break of structure which market liquidity, we see market liquidity swept. And this is the demand I'm expecting the market to push the market upward. Because if you can see now, we are what? We are seeing bullish. So I'm expecting no matter what, no matter how, I'm still expecting bullish market from here. And this is what this is the next supply because we are having what FEG here, we are having liquidity here, and this is the next supply I'm expecting the market to mitigate. We can see market mitigate this supply, continue the downtrend. So this is what I'm still expecting. This is what I'm expecting. No matter what, I'm still expecting what I'm still expecting bullish. So the demand are what demand are sitting here. So if we see any break, definitely market want to sweep this liquidity, go find any other any FPG to continue the uptrend. But now the market is here. So let's just continue the uptrend. I'm still anticipating for the uptrend though. No matter what, this is the uptrend market. And our stop loss will be here. So no matter what, is either so you know that I said this is the way, but this sell, I said reversal market. I don't want to be taking it anymore. All this sell, I'm seeing it, but due to the reversal, I don't want to be taking any reversal anymore because sometimes market can change its behavior. So it's either taking to continuation and reversal. If I want to take reversal, I just want to should take it. I think this. I think this trade maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, but I later close it seriously when I did not see when I did not see valid. I not see valid as yeah, so I later close it. So this is the buy I'm expecting the buy. So if you see we waited from Monday to Friday, but this is me that say I don't want to be taking this trade. I'm seeing this opportunity, but it's me that I'm saying I don't want to be taking this investor anymore. Seriously, I'm seeing those opportunity, but it is me that did not go for it seriously. I'm the one that did not go for this opportunity. So let's move to US30. Let's see what US30 has for us. This is US30. And you can see this USD, this is the swing high and this is the swing low. So we are still expecting market to push up. So this is change of character, this break of structure, and this another break of structure. So let's continue the uptrend. So let's continue the uptrend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is giving us. This change of character, break of structure, break of structure. Definitely, we are expecting the market to come here before we can see any bullish. So all this one market is created are just liquidity for me because this is the buy that happened. This is where the buy. This is the way the demand is. This is where the demand is. The demands. The buyers are here. Demand means buyer, so the buyers are there. You can see here over to. I'm still expecting market to sweep this liquidity before continuing the uptrend. So that is what I'm expecting. As for me, this is liquidity for me, which I'm expecting the market to sweep this liquidity before continuing the uptrend. And let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us. This is 1 hour time frame, and you can see I'm still expecting the liquidity safe. Seriously, this is where I want to buy the market. So this is liquidity. I'm still expecting the market to sweep all this place before continuing the uptrend because market is in the uptrend, but I want market to sell all this liquidity because this is a stock market. Seriously, this is a stock market. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. As for me on 4 hour time frame, this is a liquidity sweep. The reason why I said this is a liquidity because what the first we can do what we can do, the second we can do. This is a liquidity sweep. Seriously, After the liquidity swept, let's this is the supply that pushed the market down. You can see this is the supply that pushed the market down. On 1 hour time frame, let's see if you can see the sell again. So the market is what? The market is giving me sell. Definitely we are sell for the market, but let's go to 15 minute time frame. Let's see what 15 minute time frame is giving us. This is 15 minute time frame, and this is, you can see, this is a break of structure. This is another break of structure. So definitely the market is coming here before we can say any perish down. So we are taking the buy from here. This is where we are buying. As for now, the market on stock on stock, yeah, this is in this index. There it is stock also. This is stock US 30 because 30 US company is controlling it seriously. Amazon is there, Microsoft is there, Apple is there, US healthcare is there. Uh, there are so many countries that is controlling this. That's why they call it US 30. That's why if you are buying stock in it. If you are selling, you are selling stock in it. And if you are seeing the what market is trying to do, this is an bullish market. So this trend line is bearish market. So market is coming here before we can see uptrend. Market is coming there. This is a liquidity market need to sweat for me. This is a liquidity market need to sweat seriously on 15 minute time frame. Let's see where we can sell the market on 15 minute time frame. I don't know what happened to my network. Oh. So this is what is happening. Market mitigated this supply, this order block here. Give us another downtrend. You can see. So let's say market is coming here. If market can come here, give us another what? Give us another bearish. So we are buying from here. So as I said, I don't used to have this reversal trade is somehow. Sometimes it will favor you, sometimes the reversal will not favor you seriously. That's why I'm not taking reversal anymore. Let me change this coordination entry on 4 hour time frame. Let's see on 4 hour time frame. Let's see how we can take the trade on 4 hour time frame. This is 48, 48, 536, 48, 536, 48, 536, 0.36. So this is what we are seeing. Our stop loss, you see, our stop loss will be high. Our stop loss will be low. Our take profit. Let's see our stop loss. Our stop loss, let's see, 48 180, 48 180, 48 180. You can see our stop loss. This is our stop loss, and our take profit will be high. So let's just be focused on this market seriously. We are selling before we can buy seriously. This is where we are buying the market, and we are first selling before we can buy. This is what is happening in the market. So let's see what the market is trying to give us. But this is what I'm seeing in the market. Seriously. So let's move to GU. Let's see what GU has for us also. From daily time frame, this is our swing high and this is our swing low. But you can see this change of card, this is changing break of structure to uptrend, and this is downtrend, internal downtrend. This is break of structure, internal break of, and we have change of character. What we are expecting now, we are expecting what we are expecting valid uptrend. Let's move to 4 hour time frame. This is the key level that puts the market down. You can see this is the resistance. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch here, and fourth touch. You can see market plays around this key level before using us up down trend. And this is the where supply. We are expecting this supply to push the market down. You can see this is the supply. I'm expecting the market to push the market down again because it's also a key level here. You can see it's also a key level here. So what we are seeing now, this is break of structure, this change of character, and this is FEG. But I'm seeing liquidity here, but there is key level here. Market may mitigate this key level before continuing the uptrend. But what I'm seeing, we are seeing uptrend. Market has already mitigated this FEG. So market has already. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is giving us. This is liquidity market need to swept. So let's just shape. Let's be patient. Let's be patient because we don't know market may come. We don't know, maybe market will come down again before continuing the uptrend. But let's move to 50-minute time frame. Let's see what 50-minute time frame is trying to tell us. This is 50-minute time frame. If you want to take this sell, you can take the. I'm not taking this sell. I'm not in for this sell because you can see very comfortable, but I'm not in for this sell. I'm not in for this sell. I'm expecting the buy. So this is where I'm expecting the buy. Let's move to EU. Let's see what EU is giving us. Sorry for using my hand to clean my face. I'm forgotten that there is face toner at my side. So let's move to EU. This is EU. This is daily time frame. And you can see this is swing high and this is swing low. Market strength, this is liquidity. Definitely we are in uptrend or we are in uptrend. So on this internal, this break of structure, this change of character, definitely market is giving us the vibe of uptrend. So let's move to 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, we now see another break of structure to continue the uptrend. But what we are seeing now, this is the key level. This is the resistance that puts the market down. You can see first touch, second touch, third touch. So this is the key level that puts the market down. So and this is the next supply level that is going to push the market up because there's FEG and liquidity are sitting here. So we are still buying from here. I'm still buying back because this is the break of structure market give us a 4 hour time frame. Definitely we are buying from here. We are buying from here. Market may sweep this liquidity before continuing the uptrend. This market may sweep that liquidity before we can see a uptrend. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see this is a liquidity. Market may accept it before we can continue the uptrend. But we are seeing what? We are seeing uptrend. So let's stay valid, let's be patient. So let's move to UJ. Let's see what UJ is giving us. This is UJ. I don't know what happened to my network, please. Sorry for the delay. So on UJ, from daily time frame, the network has not loaded what this thing. From daily time frame, this is our swing high, and this is our swing low, and this is our demand. You can see this is our recent demand market has already mitigated, and we are having what? We are having this is our previous one. So on 4 hours, let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours is giving us. This is 4 hours. This is where the market is, but this is not. This is a liquidity swept on the market. Since we have seen this as a liquidity swept, so the market is what is uptrend. When market closes this FEG, it's continuing the uptrend. So this US is still what is still in the uptrend. So we gotta be patient. Let's see 1 hour time frame. But as for me, you can see this break of structure. This is break of structure market gave us. And this is change of character. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Yesterday, this is our 1 hour time frame. After market give us internal break of structure, internal change of character, we see break of structure here. So we are expecting the market to come back here because before we can see the uptrend, but market couldn't. So what market is giving us the 5 of uptrend? The market has not created another higher. You can see this all this 6 hours liquidity for me. If I want to take this trade, if market is definitely coming back, all this place will serve as liquidity market need to sell before we can see a valid uptrend. or display itself, because there's FEG here, there's magnet zone here, and there's magnet zone here. But as for now, let's just see what the market is trying to do. We are seeing the option. Let's see GJ. Let's see what GJ has for us. This GJ, I'm still expecting for sell. Seriously, let's start from daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is the last break of structure on daily time. This is our swing high and this is our swing low. All this one are internal. You can see this is a liquidity. On 4-hour time frame, on 4-hour time frame, we have key level here, we have break of structure here, and we have change of character here. You can see this is a key level multiple rejection. So we are expecting market to push it down again to this key level. This is the supply. You can see this key level, this is supply. Market give us change of character. Market went up back. On 1-hour time frame, let's see 1-hour time frame is going. Markets for touches the second time again. So let's see if we can see a valid downtrend. As for me, let me just read this market for you seriously. As for me, I'm gonna read this market for you. This is an uptrend market. This is what change of character. This is a break of structure, and this is a valid break of structure because the second week candle exceeded it. This is not a liquidity, it's valid break of structure. Seriously. And this break of structure, this is the demand that give us this break of structure. The market swept this liquidity. As for me, this is a liquidity swept on market. You can see a liquidity swept from the market. So let me on 1-hour time frame. We are still reading 1-hour time frame. And what I'm seeing now, I'm seeing what, sorry for that, I'm seeing market structure shift here. This is market structure shift. This is liquidity shift. This is a market structure shift. And I'm expecting the market to come back to this key level before I can see uptrend, and my stop loss will be this low candle. TP will be what inside this key level again. Inside that key level. Let's move. Let's see if you that you can see that I can see what I'm saying now. You can see what I'm saying. There's FEG, so I'm expecting buy from here. And inside this key level, this is our TP will be inside this key level. Seriously. So let's see what the market is trying to do. And let's see if the market is going to give us massive bullish. But on 30-minute time frame, we are having what we are having. You can see what we are having now. We can just say, let's say, if our stop, if our entry is here, our stop loss will be here. You can see 1:3. I think one ratio 4. No, this is not 1:1. Sorry, this is 1:1. This is 1 ratio. This is 1:1. 1:1. 1:1 1:1.4. Yeah, this is what we are having. So let's see if the market is still valid. So let's move to crypto. Let's see what crypto has for us. Maybe we can see an opportunity on crypto also. From daily time frame, this you can see this is the what this is the key level market mitigated on daily time frame, and this is what market is in between. On 4 hour time frame, let's see what 4 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 4 hour time frame, and I'm seeing this is as a disment, and this will serve as what? This will serve as demand. Markets need to mitigate it before continuing the uptrend. But if this does not hold, definitely those one down here is going to hold. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is what we are having 1 hour time frame also. You can see this is what we are having on 1 hour time frame also. Let's just be patient so we can see the opportunity. Patience is the key. If you want to succeed in this trading, patience is, if you have patience, you win anything, everything. You can see this is the break of structure. So let's see what Forex is giving us. This is what Forex is giving us. This break of structure. You can see this is what we are having. This is the demand zone. You can see this is last break of structure. This is the demand zone, and we are having another demand zone here. So let's see the one the market is going to respect before anything. So I'm still anticipating what for buy on Ethereum and what and BTC. On gold, my buy is still my buy. Seriously, no matter what the market is doing. Today is Friday. Trump may talk anyhow, and Trump may say anything. And anything that Trump said, most specifically on Friday, if Trump tweets or talk anything, he used to favor the market seriously. He used to sparkle the markets up, and during the weekend, I think the man know what he's doing seriously. The man know what he's doing. So during the weekend, he will just tweet anyhow. So the next week that we are expecting the market will just be the next week fear will just be in the market. So if you want more of this, kindly please press subscribe but don't forget to, if you want more of this, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person to learn from this video. Thank you, peace and love. Have a successful day. Have a profitable day, and have a successful and profitable in this trading journey and in other skills you are doing. And have a lovely day ahead, and happy weekend in advance. Thanks. Love you. Peace and love.